Hello guys, you're welcome back. Preshtalker and David Wilson accused of always fighting and making up. Preshtalker and David Wilson, believed to have met in the ultimate love competition, were accused of always fighting and making up. Reacting to the accusation, Preshtalker wrote on her official Twitter account. She said, "As much as we would love to ignore the frenzy going on, we will not take lightly to defamation of character of any sort. Domestic abuse is a serious issue and shouldn't be joked with. How preposterous. Nobody rises to the top by putting others down." Preshtalker and David Wilson, although said they had knew each other right from school days and later met in the love pad, which therefore made them pair as couple, which gave them the couple name Preshdavid. Right from the love pad, Presh and David Wilson seemed to always have misunderstanding, and thereafter they resolve it. There are times in the love pad when David won't want the matter to be more than the level it was, thereby apologizing to resolve the matter. The two lovers had been accused of always fighting and make up, as seen in a video that was shared where other housemates were present. Someone has said that Presh and David Wilson always fight and make up. In every relationship, misunderstanding can arise, but in the note that it gets too much or almost every time, it means the relationship is not okay. And to avoid domestic violence, it is advisable for the relationship to be dissolved before marriage. David Wilson reacted to the accusation of him and Preshtalker having a fight and always settling. He said, "A lot of people went to school, but not only very few paid attention in class. That's why someone cannot know the difference between arguing and fighting. Preshdavid forever." David disregarded the statement that both of them do fight and make up, but instead he claimed it was argument they both had, and he said that there is a difference between argument and fighting. Fans have reacted in their numbers to all this. Fans also shared their views and opinions concerning the issue between Presh and David Wilson. In my opinion, I think Presh and David Wilson need a little break to discover themselves if they really want the relationship to work out, and they should not impress the public because of others. Okay guys, this is my humble opinion about this accusation that David Wilson and Preshtalker are constantly fighting. So for me, there's no need faking all this. If they know it's not working, they should just dissolve this thing and let everyone move on to the next thing. What are your opinion on this, guys? Let us know in the comment section below.